How do you use the lasso tool in Photoshop to make selections? In Photoshop, making selections is everything, and the lasso tool is a really great way to make quick selections and not have to worry about too much. The lasso tool is located in the toolbar, right up here under the Marquee Select tool. If you don't see it, just click and hold, and you can see the other lasso tools, and you can select the one you want. In addition, you can also press Shift+L to cycle through the lasso tools. I'm going to use the Freehand Lasso Tool right now. It's as simple as drawing a circle, and it'll automatically close and have the marching ants. If I press V to get the Transform tool, I can now move this selection. Control or Command Z undoes that. When using the lasso tool, if you need to add to your selection, for example, I don't have all of this ruler, I can hold the Shift key, and as long as my new selection overlaps the other selection, it'll add to it. In fact, you can even have a selection that doesn't overlap, and it'll add to that selection as well. If you need to remove a selection, hold the Alt or Option key, and it will subtract from the selection. This can be really great because you can go fast and adjust your selections on the fly. At the very top of the lasso tool, you can change the feather. So if I want to add a feather to the selection, I can type in a pixel value and it'll add that feather and have a soft edge. Press Ctrl D or Command D to deselect. Hopefully this allows you to use the Freehand Lasso tool in Photoshop.